In this video, there are 20 vocabulary questions. Let's see if you can get all of them right. The first word, what is the meaning of ambiguous? The answer is having more than one possible meaning. His message was ambiguous, so nobody knew exactly what he meant. What is the meaning of explicit? The answer is clear and easy to understand. The teacher gave explicit instructions for the homework. What is the meaning of versatile? The answer is suitable for many different uses. The jacket is versatile and can be worn for many occasions. What is the meaning of resilient? The answer is recovering quickly after setbacks. He fell off his bicycle but remained resilient and tried again. What is the meaning of tedious? The answer is repetitive and boring to do. Folding hundreds of flyers was a tedious task. What is the meaning of innovative? The answer is using new and creative ideas. The student created an innovative way to organize her notes. What is the meaning of comprehend? The answer is understanding something clearly. He quickly comprehended the instructions and completed the task. What is the meaning of skeptical? The answer is questioning whether something is true. She was skeptical about the advertisement and wanted to check the fact first. What is the meaning of immense? The answer is being extremely great or intense. They felt immense joy when they won the competition. What is the meaning of reliable? The answer is being trusted to do things well. She is reliable and always arrives on time. What is the meaning of catalyst? The answer is causing a change to happen. The new coach was the catalyst for the team's success. What is the meaning of anomaly? The answer is being unusual and unexpected. The manager detected an anomaly in the report. What is the meaning of paradox? The answer is seeming confusing, but true. The saying, less is more, is a very popular paradox. What is the meaning of meticulous? The answer is paying careful attention to details. She was meticulous when decorating the cake. What is the meaning of irony? The answer is opposite of what you would expect. It was an irony that the fire station caught fire. What is the meaning of nostalgia? The answer is warm memories from the past. Looking at old photos filled her with nostalgia. What is the meaning of personification? The answer is giving human qualities to things. The wind whispered through the trees is an example of personification. What is the meaning of procrastinate? The answer is delaying something that should be done. He tends to procrastinate instead of doing his homework. What is the meaning of oxymoron? The answer is combining opposite meanings. Bittersweet is an oxymoron. And the final word. What is the meaning of euphemism? The answer is using a gentler word to replace a harsh one. Senior citizen is a euphemism for old person. That's the end of the challenge. How many did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below, and thanks for watching.